आदोगाद आयरिश रॉड्रिगेजान आमदारां खातीर घेतिल्ल्या 2 दिसांच्या कार्यशाळेर आय घेतिल्ली. सचिवालयाच्या सचिवान भायर मारली. ही माहिती दिल्यार कामात हस्तक्षेप जातलो अशें सांगून सचिवान आरटीआय भायर आयली अशें आयरिश सांगतात. देखून हे विशीं माहिती घेवपा खातीर आपूण राज्य म्हायती आयोगाक आवाहन करतलो अशें आयरिशान ह्या वेळार सांगलें.
Advocate Rodrigues had filed an RTI application asking for the details of the 2-day training session of the MLAs which was held at Gomantak. He also asked about the expenditure incurred and the bills submitted. Then my PIO, Shri Mohan Gaonkar, had given a reply, and we have said that it is exempt under section 8(1)(c) of the RTI Act, read with the rule of 37 clause 16. So I have followed all the constitutional provisions as well as the rules of procedure of the Goa Legislative Assembly. Then later on, Advocate Rodrigues came in first appeal before me, since I am the first appellate authority, and there today I passed an order dismissing his appeal, and I have given a copy of the order so that you can see the findings what I have done in this order, and his appeal has been dismissed. I have followed all the constitutional provisions as well as the Goa Legislative Assembly rules.
The Secretary of the Legislature, who had heard the final arguments on my appeal last week, has today pronounced her order. She has passed an order dismissing the appeal filed by me, and in her order she has noted that giving the information to me would be interfering in the working of the House. She has in her order admitted that the rules of business of the Legislative Assembly, as stated by me in my appeal, have never been notified. At least she has agreed to that. Now, in which way would I be pressurizing the Speaker or interfering with the functioning of the House? This is a finding which she has come to is very strange, because the RTI Act was enacted for transparency in governance, so that there is transparency and we come to know everything that the government or government institutions do. So the Goa Legislative Assembly, Goa Legislature Secretariat comes within the purview of the RTI Act. There is a PIO appointed, there is a first appellate authority appointed. So this whole thing is to deny information which is not permissible in terms of the RTI Act. So now against this order, I would prefer an appeal immediately before the State Information Commission, and let the State Information Commission decide